Warm greetings of 75th Independence Day to our dear viewers and subscribers on our school's official page on various social media platforms. Dear parents, respected manager father, respected principal father, respected teachers, respected members of support staff, and all my dear schoolmates, in the view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Union Home Ministry issued instructions to the states and union territories for following necessary preventive measures while organizing the Independence Day celebrations. Special thanks to this virtual forum that has made possible for all of us to stay still connected and therefore play an integral role either as animators or as audience and reflect and share those feelings of love and passion for one's own motherland. Yes, exactly, my dear country India, incredible India. Hope this audio-visual content will once again revive in you the patriotic zeal. Thank you.
Dear viewers, we all are well aware about the present scenario prevailing in all the educational institutions across the nation. Still, they are not opened completely but are completely countered by the challenges. Nevertheless, still, the most of them have successfully overcome those challenges. And it's all possible because of the heads of the institution. So, applies with our school, Reverend Father Dentis Thomas, the principal of our school, has sincerely guided all the teachers, make initiatives in fostering the training programs for teachers, students and parents to fulfill the aspects of new normalcy in the field of education. I humbly request our principal, Reverend Father Dentis Thomas, to kindly address the gathering. We all are passionate and keen to hear from you, respected Father.
A very happy Independence Day to each one of you. And it's a very happy occasion for we Indians. And it's a very proud moment because our nation is celebrating 75th year of its independence. That is the platinum jubilee of our independence. My dear friends, we all of us believe in a God. And we believe in different religions like Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, and so on and so forth. And each of these religions has got their own sacred scripture. And we consider that sacred scripture as something very ultimate, and it becomes very important thing for our life. And we honor it and we guard that sacred scripture. Similarly, we Indians, our sacred scripture is our Indian Constitution. And this Indian Constitution is the sacred scripture for our entire nation. Therefore, as we celebrate this Independence Day, my appeal to you is that we need to read this sacred scripture, our Indian Constitution. We need to understand its spirit and then try to practice those principles that are laid down in that constitution, and then we have an ultimate duty that we need to protect and guard our constitution. I wish you all the very best, and we as a citizens, the emerging citizens of our nation, we shall protect our Indian constitution. Thank you. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, respected Father. Thanks for gracing the occasion with your benign presence. And so generous and effective were the words said by you. I now hand it over to my co-host Priyansh Kaurav.
माँ की तरह बिना मांगे हमें इतना कुछ देती है ये प्रकृति, बारिश में रिमझिम जल बरसाती है ये प्रकृति, मुफ्त में अनेकों साधन उपलब्ध कराती है ये प्रकृति, कहीं पर्वत खड़े किए तो कहीं नदी बहा रखी है इसने। प्रकृति हमारे लिए उस असीम खजाने के समान है जो बिना किसी स्वार्थ के हमें इतना कुछ प्रदान करती है। मैं प्रियांश कौरव कक्षा 8वीं सा से एक गीत के माध्यम से प्रकृति की अनेक खूबियों को आपके सामने अवगत कराना चाहता हूँ। तो आइए सुनते हैं यह गीत।
make us hold our heads up high. The saffron of the rays arising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts fill with pride at these three colors three. The saffron gives us courage and inspires sacrifice. The white for us is peace and honesty. The green is festive life and it means prosperity. The central wheel is thumb of for eternity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our hands up high. The saffron of the rays arising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts fill with pride at these three colors three. From the north and from the south of this great ancient land, from the east and from the west, together we all stand. Let's shiver the flag that is our mark of unity, our identity, integrity, our noble dignity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us heroes head high. The saffron of the rays arising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the sun sailing clouds that run. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत आभार मेरे प्यारे गायक कलाकार, आप सबने बहुत ही बखूबी से अपना गीत प्रस्तुत किया है। आप सबको धन्यवाद।
Speech is always an area that brings in limelight the gravity of the occasion, provides in brief about some purpose of gatherings, imparts valuable messages, etc. And to execute all this for this celebration of national festival, I request Lakshmi Rahul from Standard 7th kindly take over the charge.
Good morning, everyone, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Lakshmi Rahul, welcome you all to the grand celebration of Independence Day. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history. When we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of nation long suppressed finds utterance. With this famous quote given by the Jawaharlal Nehru on the eve of India's Independence Day in 1947, I welcome everyone to the celebration of 75th Independence Day. This is the most significant day in Indian history as it marks the sacrifice, bravery, and hardship of our freedom fighters. Under the unjust rule of Britishers, people of India struggled over 200 years to achieve freedom and liberty. We dedicate this day to all who continue to protect and safeguard our land and its spirit of unity. Being citizens of India, we must pledge to become socially responsible and well-educated citizens of tomorrow, so as to carry on the legacy of our ancestors and to make our country proud. Thank you.
Thank you, dear young orators. I wish and pray one fine day may you address the whole nation as like our Honorable President and Prime Minister.
Storytelling, speech, debate, discussions are different from by which we express our ideas, view, etc. So a poem in nature with its own vivid quality produced due to rhyming words which make it sound like a music, and that too without any musical beat from any of the musical instrument. I now request Yashasvi Solanki from Standard 8 Ashita Ishwari from Standard 7 and Anvi Raghuvanshi from Standard 6 to present a poem theme Veers.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम यशस्वी सोलंकी है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं ड की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने एक वीर रस की कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। इस कविता का शीर्षक है लाल रक्त से धरा नहाई। लाल रक्त से धरा नहाई, श्वेत नभ पर लाली माँ छाई। आज़ादी के नव उत्कोष पे सभी ने वीरों की गाथा गाई। गांधी, नेहरू, पटेल, सुभाष की ध्वनि चारों ओर छाई। सतगुरु, सहदेव और भरत की कुर्बानियों पर आंखें भर आई। ए भारत माता, तुझसे अनोखी और अद्भुत माना हमने पाई। तेरे रक्त की एक एक बूंद हमारे रगों में है समाई। माथे पर है बांधे कफन और तेरी रक्षा की कसम है खाई। रहकर खड़े सरहद पर आज़ादी की रीत निभाई। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है हर्षिता ईश्वरी और मैं आज आपके सामने वीरस की कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ, जिसके रचयिता हैं श्री प्रदीप जी। तो इस कविता का शीर्षक है आज हिमालय की चोटी से। आज हिमालय की चोटी से फिर हमने ललकारा है, दूर हटो ए दुनिया वालों, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। जहाँ हमारे ताजमहल है और कुतुब मीनारा है, जहाँ हमारे मंदिर मस्जिद सिखों का गुरुद्वारा है। इस धरती पर कदम बढ़ाना अत्याचार तुम्हारा है। शुरू हुआ है जंग तुम्हारा, जाग उठो है हिंदुस्तानी। तुम ना किसी के आगे झुकना, जर्मन हो या जापानी। आज सभी के लिए हमारा यही कौमी नारा है, दूर हटो ए दुनिया वालों, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अवनी रघुवंशी है और मैं आपके सामने वीर रस की कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ। न एक हाथ शस्त्र हो, न हाथ एक अस्त्र हो, न अन्नवीर वस्त्र हो। हटो नहीं, डरो नहीं, बड़े चलो, बड़े चलो। रही समझ हिम शिखर, तुम्हारा प्रण उठे निखर। भले ही जाए जन बिखर, रुको नहीं, झुको नहीं, बड़े चलो, बड़े चलो। कटागिरी अटूट हो, अधर में कालकूट हो, वही सदा का गूट हो। जिए चलो, मरे चलो, बड़े चलो, बड़े चलो। चलो नहीं मिसाल हो, चलो नहीं मशाल हो। झुको नहीं, रुको नहीं, बड़े चलो, बड़े चलो। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Good morning, father, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Love Kashyap from class 7A. Today I am presenting my poem. My poem name is Utho Dhara ke Amar Saputo. उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो, पुनः नया निर्माण करो। जन जन के जीवन में फिर से नई स्फूर्ति न प्राण भरो। नया प्रात है, नई बात है, नई किरण है, ज्योति नई। नई उमंगे, नई तरंगे, नई आस है, सांस नई। युग युग के मुरझे सुमनों में नई नई मुस्कान भरो। डाल डाल पर बैठे भी हम कुछ नए सुरों में गाते हैं। गुनगुन गुनगुन करते भोरे मस्त हुए मंडराते हैं। नवयुग की नूतन वीणा में नया राग नव गान भरो। कली कली खिल रही इधर वह फूल फूल मुस्काया है। धरती माँ की आज हो रही नई सुनहरी काया है। नूतन मंगल में ध्वनियों से गुंजत जग उद्यान करो। सरस्वती का पावन मंदिर यह संपत्ति तुम्हारी है। तुम में से हर बालक इसका रक्षक और पुजारी है। सत दीपक जला ज्ञान का नवयुग का आह्वान करो। उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो, पुनः नया निर्माण करो। Thank you. Thank you, dear poet, for instilling in us the patriotic fervor and once again reminding us about contribution and sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters.
Music, dance and meal are the essential ingredients of any celebration. Music is over and meal you are expected to have by your own. The only ingredient which has to exhibit its dynamism is dance. I now request Disha Neti, Neti Trivedi and Asna Charbadi from Standard 8 to present the dance undoubtedly on the beats and on the music composed to express our gratitude towards our great martyrs and our great soldiers.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब लाओगे, कि घर कब लाओगे, लिखो कब लाओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
Thank you dear performers, your performance contributed a lot in this celebration and so your tribute has reached to our great soldiers.
Successful completion of all the above events, we have arrived at the conclusion of this celebration of 75th Independence Day, but still it won't concluded. Till the instance we express our gratitude to the respectives associated with it. For the same, I request Aditya Chauhan, Aviral Sharma and Shaurya Chauhan from Standard 6th to propose vote of thanks.
Very first, my sincere reverence and gratitude to all our great freedom fighter and great leaders, as because of them only I am in the position to freely propose vote of thanks in a free country like India. Thanks to all our viewers and subscribers. It's all with your valuable support in the form of likes and comments that we are motivated to produce more such enriching audiovisual content.
Thanks to our dear parents, as it's because of them only that we have an opportunity to showcase our talents and potentials. As we studied in St. Vincent Pallotti School, thanks to respected school management, respected manager father and respected principal father for encouraging us each day through the strategical framework.
Thanks to all my respected teachers for their guidance and care. Thanks to our respected supporting staff. Thanks to all the working hands. Thanks to all my dear schoolmates. And now a little thanks to I myself, as I have by-hearted all that which I was told by my teacher. For this audio video with Courtney. Thank you.